Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a corporate tax return. First, gather all your financial records, including income statements and balance sheets. It's crucial to identify your corporation's tax year and accounting method. Also, determine if your business qualifies for any specific tax credits or deductions. This initial preparation saves significant time and ensures accuracy throughout the filing process, setting a strong foundation for your return. Next, you'll complete the necessary tax forms. For most C corporations, this means Form 1120. Accurately report your gross income, deductions, and taxable income. If you're an S corporation, ensure all relevant schedules, such as Schedule K1, are fully completed. Double-checking these details prevents errors and ensures compliance with tax regulations, making the process smoother for everyone involved. Now, let's calculate your tax and make payments. Based on your taxable income, determine your total tax liability. It's wise to make estimated tax payments throughout the year to avoid potential penalties. Many businesses find electronic payment options convenient and accurate. This proactive approach helps manage your cash flow and ensures you meet your financial obligations without last-minute stress. Finally, it's time to review and file your return. Thoroughly review all forms for accuracy and completeness before submission. Remember to file your return by the deadline, typically the 15th day of the fourth month following the close of your tax year. Always keep copies of all submitted documents for at least 3 years for your records. This final check ensures everything is correct and properly documented.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.